Court does call the case of the People's State of Michigan versus Larry Lee.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Retail Assistant Prosecuting Attorney on behalf of the people.
State your name, please, sir. Clearly. Mr. Lee, you are here for your preliminary examination. Sir, you have elected to represent yourself. Is that still your wish, sir?
Your Honor, I have not received any of the requested discovery material. I've sent out written requests for the prosecution and our previous attorney and haven't received anything. So at this point, I'll be needing an attorney to assist, to represent me.
Your Honor, if Mr. Lee can maybe put on the record where he sent that request. I have not been informed of the discovery request from him. My understanding was that Mr. Burgess had a discovery materials.
I sent it to 200 North Main Street.
But well, there are two issues really involved. You sent out that you wanted a copy of your discovery.
That's correct.
Are you indicating that Mr. Burgess did not provide or share with you your discovery?
Correct. I sent out one to the prosecutor and one to Mr. Burgess.
Now, I'm asking a different question. At the point in time that Mr. Burgess is representing you, are you saying that he did not share the discovery information with you?
The only thing that I received was a police report, a 2-page report. That's it. So I didn't receive the file that he was referring to last court hearing. I didn't receive that, no.
All right, let's just cut through the games and charade here. Do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
At this point, yes, I don't have any material.
Well, it's not an issue of the material. Do you wish to have an attorney represent you?
Yes.
Okay, under the court rule, he is entitled and can ask for that at any point in time. This is probably going to cause great inconvenience for people, and now here's the weird part of the system. While Mr. Drukas, I've appointed as standby counsel, I need you to get to the MAC office and see what we can get. All right. Take him back. We'll get that resolved, figure out what the MAC office wants to do.
When we come back, I just want to make sure I don't forget there are a few cases that you want to address that happened after the last court hearing. So we can do that when we come back.
Something that happened after the last?
Yes, Your Honor.
You were just full of surprises. Fine. I'll deal with it then. Court's going to stand in recess.
All right.
Good
Assistant Prosecuting Attorney on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Edward Drukas on behalf of Larry Lee.
All right. Mr. Lee, I've signed the order appointing Mr. Drukas to represent you in this matter so that you're aware. Okay. All right. So in this matter,
Set for a preliminary examination, I'm asking for a brief adjournment. I understand through timing with the court that Monday morning would be available. If we could set it for that time.
All right.
Opportunity to go over discovery.
will that work for the people?
Yes, Your Honor. We'll have witnesses present.
All right. So preliminary examination in this matter will be adjourned. Court finding good cause to do so. I will adjourn it to, what is it, the 11th?
Yes.
August 11th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
For me.
When the court's ready, I have a couple of matters to put on the record.
Yes.
Your Honor, first and foremost, after the last hearing we were here for, the victim was present with a support person. As they were leaving the courthouse, they were addressed by someone who identified themselves as the friend of Larry Lee. I believe that person is now sitting in the gallery here today. I've personally warned her, but I would appreciate it if we could repeat that on the record, that the victim is not to be talked to or contacted. I don't have anything indicating that Mr. Lee directed that contact, but I want to make sure everybody's clear so we don't have any further issues regarding contact with the victim of this case.
All right. And which individual are you referring to?
This lady right now.
Emma, you come out this way. What's,
Hi.
hello, what's your name?
Hello, Your Honor.
What's your name?
I'm Jeanette Thompson.
What did you want to tell me?
Okay, so just to begin here, I'm very respectful. I don't know nothing that happened. When the I believe it's the victim was walking out, he was staring at me and I'm with 3 different women. And since he was staring at me, I said, are you so-and-so? I could identify him. So I think he was just irate because of what he going through. I don't know. But to be honest, I don't know that man. When he was talking, he was using verbal language. He walked back towards me and three other women and was kind of upset. And I said, I just want to know if you okay. My bad. I could identify him. That was all it was. I just said, I just want to know you okay. I don't.
Okay, so just stop it right now.
Yes.
So I don't want you to have any contact with the alleged victim in this case whatsoever. It doesn't matter if you are worried about whether or not they're doing okay or anything along those lines. You just not to have any contact. Because ultimately, while the people don't have proof that Mr. Lee's involved with that, it could be attributed to him in regard to the behavior, and I don't think you want that to occur. All right? So I don't want any contact whatsoever. I understood.
Yes, sir.
All right? And if I do find out there is, at minimum, I would have you report.
Well, please, can you tell him not to walk up on me
I am
again?
not going to tell him that.
Okay, because that was
You
just
are, well, hold on. Here's part of the court proceeding.
right.
You are not.
Correct.
So you need to, if it's necessary, you need to get out of his way. There's court security if that
Got it.
becomes an issue for you.
Okay.
Or you can just make the election that you do not need to appear. If you want to see the proceeding that is happening with Mr. Lee, then certainly you may view that on YouTube. So there isn't a reason for you to be here.
Mhm.
There is a reason for him to be here.
Got it. Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. You can have a seat.
Thank you, Heather. One other thing regarding the discovery request that Mr. Lee said he had sent one to our office. I just received the email. It was labeled a FOIA request, so it went to our appeals and FOIA department. It appears it's a mix of, and I'll make sure to share this with Mr. Drukas, but essentially, it appears he is attempting to FOIA communication that I may have had with the court, that I may have had with Mr. Burgess. There's also a grievance / investigation request looking to, it appears, grieve me, potentially more people. I haven't read through the whole thing. Somewhere in there, there's mention that he wants anything related to this case, but the overall idea and heading is FOIAing all communications that have happened in this case, as well as attempting to grieve myself and potentially other people. So I know at this point, Mr. Drukas is appointed, he'll get all the discovery. We've been in communication. I've asked our office to expedite the video discovery to him. I handed him a report that's unredacted, but it is the full police report. So we'll take care of that. But perhaps there should be a conversation Mr. Drukas wants to have with Mr. Lee about the rest of it and anything that may or may not be brought up as part of this case, and that the grievance process is a separate process, which he is entitled to.
Right. If that's what he wishes to do. All right.
Nothing further.
All right. Very good. Thank you, folks.
Thank you.
Everybody have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Bond will continue at this time. We'll see you Monday morning.